Today, it's mostly an ordinary day. Sumikat yung araw, may mga nasobrahan sa tulog, may mga batang ipinanganak. Sana hindi mo pasyente yun. But what's not so ordinary is how we are making promises to each other for the rest of our days.
Phil and Ten. The very essence of the sacrament of holy matrimony, I binigit the St. Paul to the Ephesians. St. Paul said, Jesus Christ is the groom and the church is the bride. Now, St. Paul was very clear, si Kristo ang nobyo, the groom. The church is the bride. Si Kristo minahal niya ang kanyang simbahan hanggang krus. At ang simbahan naman naging tapat kay Kristo for more than 2,000 years. Ngayon, Phil and Ten. When we say Sacrament of Holy Matrimony, ikaw, Phil, ang tatayong Hesus Kristo sa kasal na ito.
Kuya Phil, ito yung araw na ibinibigay na namin sa'yo si ate. Wait lang, dapat naman ako kayo. Kahit lagi siyang masungit, kahit lagi siyang puyat, kahit lagi siyang wala sa amin, lagi siyang duty, lagi siyang kailangan maging doktor, ibibigay na namin siya sa'yo. Wish ko lang na sana alagaan mo si ate kung paano namin siya inalagaan. Kasi ate is a very precious gem to us na ang hirap niyang i-let go. Pero parang kailangan nating lahat humiwalay sa parents natin and dun sa unang family natin para mag-grow tayo as a person.
Lilinawin ko sa inyo, Phil and Ten. When we say faithfulness, ibig sabihin ito, Phil, sa kasal na ito, your family is Christian. Kaya iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina, magsama sila ng kanyang asawa. Likewise, your family Christian is Phil. Kaya iiwan din ng babae ang kanyang ama at ina, magsama sila ng kanyang asawa. Therefore, ang family mo, Phil, is Christian. Christian, your family is Phil.
Since grade 1, magkaklase kami ni Phil. College, magkasama kami sa bahay. Kaya kanina, aminin ko, naiyak ako kay Phil. Hindi, first time ko rin na naiyak ako. Kasi, nag-iisa rin po ako lalaki, so, nag-iisa rin si Phil. Si Phil po yung tinuring kong parang kapatid. Lahat ng sikreto ko at sikreto ni Phil halos alam namin. Kasi, kailangan namin pagtakpan ng isa't isa. Kaya, ang reason po kung bakit po ako naiyak kanina, kasi po, natutuwa ako sa kaibigan ko at saka sa kapatid ko na si Ten yung mapapangasawa niya.
Thank you, Lord, for my one true love, my soulmate, Phil Adrian. Matagal mo akong pinag-antay, but it's worth the wait. 11 years ago, wala tayong idea na ito na pala tayo ngayon. I realized na hindi naman pala talaga ako nainip at sobrang naghintay. God has a perfect time for us to be prepared for this lifetime commitment.
Babe, I don't know if you are a lot, pero maraming nakakaalam na they were on and off, di ba? Phil, yung off sila ni Ten, namatay ang atay ko dahil kay Phil eh. Maglalabas siya ng sama ng loob every time. Pupunta siya sa bahay, Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Tapos magiinom kami, mag face to face. Pero pag naiinis na ako sa kanya, kasi pa ulit-ulit eh, tinatanong ko siya, ano bang problema mo? Sino ba gusto mo talaga? Kasi kung maghihiwalay lang din kayo maghihiwalay, useless eh, di ba? Pero every time, he never fails to say na, pare, gusto ko talaga si Ten. Si Ten talaga ang gusto ko. Woo! Woo! Bawi na. Pero ganun nga, every fight, every bumps along the road, he will end up and he always knows na si Ten talaga.
Kala mo kotse ha? Susi ng kotse ko yan, babe. Ikaw mag-drive mamaya. Baka malasing ako.
I promise to you that I will laugh with you, and as you have said, I'll make you laugh. I'll cry with you. I'll comfort you in times of sorrow, lalo na pag namamatay si Coco Martin.
Hindi kita wini-welcome right now sa family namin kasi alam mong matagal ka ng welcome. Lalo kami, wala kaming kuya talaga. So, si Kuya Phil po talaga yung isang tawag lang, ganyan. Andyan na si Kuya Phil, kahit malayo siya, pupuntahan niya kami. So, alam ko na si Kuya Phil yung makakapagpasaya kay ate dahil for 11 years, nakita ko kung paano niya inalagaan at iningatan yung kapatid ko.
Ngayon, Phil and Ten. When we say Sacrament of Holy Matrimony, ikaw, Phil, ang tatayong Hesus Kristo sa kasal na ito. Tanda mo, in this Sacrament of Holy Matrimony, you stand here as Jesus, the groom. Minahal ni Jesus ang kanyang simbahan hanggang krus. Kaya bang mahalin si Kristen hanggang krus?
Ah, yes, Father.
Kaya mo.
Opo.
Kahit mga ngayayat ka.
Teka. Opo.
Magaling.
So, itong pinasok ninyo is a second part of your life. Here, you will discover kung papaano tumayo at mamuhay sa inyong sarili. Of course, alam namin na magiging maayos ang inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa, no? Pero darating yung pagkakataon na magkakaroon ng mga pagsubok. Tandaan ninyo, lagi ninyong iuuna ang presensya ng Diyos sa inyo.
In any married life, the name of the game is always faithfulness. Again, the name of the game is faithfulness in any married life. Sa Tagalog ng faithfulness is katapatan. Root word is tapat. Ibig sabihin, Phil and Ten. Kahit magkabaliktad ng buhay, T-A-P-A-T, T-A-P-A-T, be faithful to one another. Kahit magkabaliktad ng buhay, Kaya kanina sinabi nyo kanina, for better, for worse. Baliktad kaya yun. For richer, for poorer. Baliktad din. In sickness and in health. Baliktad din. Kaya kahit ano mangyari, T-A-P-A-T, T-A-P-A-T.
Earlier in the Mass, Father Arlo used the word trust, which when we translate into Tagalog, tapat. Kasi sinasabi niya kung i-spell mo forward, spell mo pabalik, pareho ang meaning, tapat. I also would like to mention a certain word. The word is wedding. And if I will consider the word wedding as an acronym, the different letters that comprise the word wedding is to me will mean with everlasting dedication, devotion into everlasting grace. Phil and Ten, we believe that they are so dedicated and devoted to each other that they have lasted this long, 11 years.
11 years. Pinakita mo sa amin na kaya mo siyang alagaan sa 11 years na yun. So, kaya mo rin siyang alagaan habang buhay. So, ipinagkakatiwala na namin sa iyo ang aming panganay.
For the past 10 months of editing this vow and trying to memorize it, ewan bakit lagi akong maiiyak. Kasi ang saya pala ibalik kung paano tayo nagsimula. At bakit gusto ko talaga maging Mrs. Canlas. Without promising anything but my great love and loyalty, I know that even if we are Lolo Phil and Lola Ten, you would still bring out that kilig feeling.
I already belong to the older group. I now possess 2 citizenships, a Filipino and senior citizens. And it is my fervent hope and prayer that before the book of my life closes and ends, makita man lang namin, mahawakan, makakalaro, maski sa sandaling panahon malamang, ang magiging bunga ng iyong pagmamahalan.
I would look back and remember that day when you introduced yourself as George, as in George Clooney. At syempre, naniwala ako. I would never get tired of laughing at your jokes, which I know, hindi lang ako yung napapasaya mo. Thank you very much for all the love. I love you so much.
As I become the official partner of your life, I promise that I will love you under any circumstances, happy or sad, easy or difficult, through sunshine and through the rain for the rest of my days. I love you very much. I am the luckiest And I can't imagine myself growing old with another else. I love you.
Hi, Kuya Phil and Ten. Congrats to the both of you. Kuya Phil, kasal ka na, first in the family, and then officially one of us ka na. I know that both of you will be happy, and always remember that we are always here for you. Love you both. Hi, Ate Ten and Kuya Phil. Congratulations. Ito na to. This is it. So, looking forward to a lot more years with you guys. And always remember na we, your cousins, will always be here for you. And we love you. Congrats ulit!
Phil and congrats sa napakagandang wedding nyo. I wish you all the best sa married life nyo. Gumawa kayo ng maraming anak. Because you guys deserve it. Congrats again and happy life.